So from your job, just share an example that a challenge you faced, and also then you come up with solutions.
I faced like two major challenges in my current job. When I started, like I told you, like this company we are working on CI/CD pipeline, right? So Jenkins. So and one of the tasks my manager gave me in the beginning, he said that Kaiser, the Jenkins version is really old. Can you update the version? So I said yes, I'm gonna update the version. So when I was trying to update some of the plugins, it started breaking the first thing is the whole server broke down. When I, start installing the plugin, I was like panicked. I said okay, because every developer was asking me, guys, my Jenkins job is not running. Did something happen in the server? And I was panicked at the time. It was like first month when I joined in the company. I was like panicked. I said, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Because, and then I decided to talk to my manager. I said, no, I have to let him know whatever is happening because I need some time to fix this issue because I know I can fix it, but I need to let someone know that I'm working on it so they can be patient. Otherwise, they will be impatient. So I talked to manager. I explained him every single thing, what I did, what steps I took. I explained him, okay, this is what I did and this is what happened. And then he said, okay, don't worry. First thing he said, okay, no worries, guys, sir. Take time and then try to fix it. So and then what the next thing I did, I let my developers know that yes, there is an issue. The server is down, so I'm working on it. It might take some time. So everybody was understandable. And then I start thinking, what should I do? Because in the EC2, I believe you guys work on AWS, so you know that EC2 has backup every single day. They have a backup, so we have our automated backup. That the server has automated backup every single day. So I took down the current one, like the one that is already down, right? So I took one of the snapshot from the backup, and then I got the server up and running within like 1 hour. And then my manager said, okay, it's good. So and everything was working fine as it is because I knew the steps like what I can do, but I was at the time I needed the time, because I didn't know how long it would take to fix that issue. But first thing I did is to communicate with my manager to let him know what's going on and to communicate with my team that I need some time to fix it. And then I worked on it. And there was like in the beginning, I was like panicked. I said, okay, maybe they will fire me because I broke down the server and then no Jenkins was working. And in that Jenkins server, like hundreds of projects were there, Jenkins projects. And you can imagine that those hundreds of Jenkins job is not working. Not only one team, two team, because we have our backend team, we have our front end team, and everybody was waiting on me. So you can imagine what was my situation. But this will come, but you have to be relaxed and you have to communicate accordingly because problem will come. And if there is a problem, there might be like a couple of solutions, so don't worry. So you can fix it if you know the things.